Good morning, Earthlings. I'm trying to paint a picture. Okay, it's not that I'm trying to paint a picture. I'm trying to start painting again. Because I've moved. This is one of my girls. She doesn't know we don't live here anymore. What do you mean we don't live here? Well, I gave Ellie Mae my trailer to Phil and his wife and my daughter-in-law, and they can get started in this place. But how do I explain to her? It's not your home anymore. They grew up in this bathroom. This one, holy cow, remember this bathroom? I got it cleaned up. I got everything cleaned up because I want them to be able to move in and it's nasty. It's still nasty. I'm sorry. But I'm cleaning it. They'll be happy here. Anyway, where did I move? I'll show you that next. Bless you in your new home. And I've decided to do this in kind of a vlog form because there's been a lot going on. We all know Thistle. She's our baby cow. And Rosemary, her mother. In the very beginning, Rosemary was this cow on a different farm. And she had a baby right when they were moving, and everything was all upset, and she didn't realize what happened, and she dropped it, and she didn't bond with her. So Marcia brought her cow and her baby to the farm. And it's fun to see how she's bonding with her baby. It's beautiful. Oh, it looks like Thistle's come to visit me. Well, here comes Mom. Mom is gonna say, hey, what is she doing over here? What are you doing over here? Rosemary, you're in the wrong place. Oh, you came looking for your baby? What are you doing? Hi, Rosemary. Hi. You better find your... Where's your baby? Did you find your baby? There she is. Anyway, Thistle will come over here once in a while. I love to watch her. She's just so fun to watch. And in the whole process, I'm falling in love with these cows. In the meantime, we've got interns. They come, they go. I love the interns.
Very helpful with all the chores.
You okay? You want more? Ready? There you go.
I've been here 1 week today, and my whole body's sore, but I really like it.
Are you supervising, Josh? Oh, good.
Okay, bring the other end of the rope.
Just that, guys. I'm gonna hook you to the chain.
Hold on. Here we go. Oh shit! Hold on, stop. You're gonna keep going. Take the gate. Hold on. There we go. Come on now. There we are.
I wish they would all stay. Anyway, I'm in my new home now, and it's really completely me right now. I have my lace curtains up and all my pretty little things, and it's just spectacular. It's fantastic. There's nothing wrong with me. I have a living room like everybody else does. I do. I have a living room right here, and I have a couch, and I have a place to put my special chair. Oh, he's pooping right there. Oh, I was gonna do something funny, Loki. What are you doing in there? Huh? Could you do it out of my house? Okay, I was gonna do something spoofy, but my life is spoofy. All I have to do is tell the truth. I live there. And he's my neighbor. And this is my living room. And I don't know why she's so upset. Why are you so upset? What do you think of my living room? Spazzy pedazzy, huh? Do you have goats in your living room? Oh, I think I even have a nest. Can you see that? I've never had a nest in my living room before. What's she noisy about? Anyway, I just thought I'd show you around. Hope you like it. I don't live unusual. Oh, look, get out of my house. Looky. Come on. She's so cute. Actually, I'll give you a tour. But I have dirty dishes in the sink. I always do. Anyway, I'm away from Lake Poopa Goopy, and I'm in this barn place, and it's fun because I've always kind of wanted to be in a barn, and it's dry under here, and my chickens, they're fine. Well, they're a little stressed, and Humphrey's been behaving badly. Yeah. Good morning, Earthlings. Welcome to my living room. Look, I got friends over. And this is Humphrey. And, whoa! Even though I can get all my girls to eat out of my hand, he won't do it. Since I moved, I'm able to get really close to my birds, and I love that. They're so funny. No, they're all here, and I counted them. Oh, he almost took it from me. Everybody else is, but he won't. That's Humphrey. He's my rooster. Oh, yay! Oh, he dropped it. I scared him. I scared him. Here he comes again. He's going to eat it. Come on, Humphrey. Oh. Come on, baby. He's so pretty. But he doesn't behave good all the time. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, isn't he pretty? Oh, Humphrey, you're my pretty boy. Come on. Oh, here comes Ruby. Oh, yay! I won my rooster over, didn't I? Oh, I won my rooster over. I did! I won him over! I mean, the rest of them will eat on. I don't know. So now that I'm settled in my new home, it's comfy. My bed is only this big. But it's comfy and it's warm in here. And my friend Derek is living in the camper right next to me. And he's going to be leaving soon. And that'll be sad. But I gotta get started with my artwork. Yeah. Here I am in the silage. Here I am in the silage barn. It looks like a trashy. Do I look like a hillbilly? I'm gonna see what's going on. Who do you think that is? She's loud.
Well, Thistle is weaning, and I didn't realize she's 5 months old. We're trying to wean her because we need her mom's milk for us for the winter. And so she's having a fit, screaming and having tantrums that she's off of her mom. So,
Boy, that's where we used to be. Right there. And everybody's a little bit confused about, but they know they can go in Wilma, but only 2 of them laid eggs today. They were so upset.
Well, this is back.
Okay, so what happened?
Got accidentally mixed in with a crew that was going to butcher.
Oh no!
So yeah, so Marcia.
Oh dear.
But we got her back.
Boy,
so.
that was close. High school. Holy cow, that was really close.
So she's trying to get her mom right now, and her mom's actually in the other pasture on the other side.
I got my paints out now, and that's a happiness spell. I need some water. It's pretty nice. They're ready. Ooh. They're ready to go to bed. And I don't like to bother them when they're doing this, but sometimes it's fun to watch it. How did you get in here? Ruby? Oh, I left the door open. All right, get in there. Get in there, you know. It's so dark you can't see. Oh, they're all falling in. Ah, it's too dark. Ruby! I'll let you stay. I'll let you stay, but nobody else can come in here. They all have to shuffle around in there. For each one that goes in there, they have to make room. And they take their turn. But look at Humphrey. Humphrey, look at you. He was gonna wait until all those girls go in there. Because he has to keep watch. Look at, he's looking around. He's making sure there's nobody out here that's gonna hurt them. He's protecting his flock. Humphrey, tell her to get in there. Whoa! Yeah, I don't want to go in there either. They were fighting in there. Alright, somebody's got to go in there now. Is he going to wait for all the girls to go in? He did. Look at that. There he goes. Humphrey, you're amazing. There he goes. Who wants to go in there with all those fighting girls? Huh? Until later. I hope you can find a cow that you can fall in love with. Why'd you do that, Thistle? What'd you do that for? You were jumping on me. That's never happened before. You're jumping. What you doing that for? That's bad behavior. Oh, that was funny.